Hi everyone, James Pound here. Just wanted to take a minute of your time to share a bit of an experience I had with Allan Morrow Studios. I purchased Ableton back in May 2020, and after a couple of months scratching around on YouTube and signing up to various subscription sites and stuff, I stumbled across an advertisement for Allan Morrow's site and had a look around. Being quite new, I didn't really know what I was looking for, so I purchased the Ableton Melody and Breakdown tutorial and got to say I was absolutely blown away. The content was incredible, it was all done in real time, I could follow along, I knew what was going on with regards to trying to fix problems that I was coming across. Fast forward, I've purchased a lot more tutorials in the past 9 months, from percussion to melody and breakdown right through to the final mixdown. It's just been phenomenal right throughout. My favourite so far has been learning how Silent 1 works, to be honest. Once I understood that synth, it's not my synth of choice, but once I understood that synth, I could work out how to transpose that information across to, Anna 2. I really like it. It's quite a complex synth, and I didn't really know, it all just looked like buttons to me, but after watching that tutorial I kind of understood what was going on, how the sound moved around it. Looking at the sound design ones in Silent 1 on the website has really given me an insight into what's going on. Fast forward 9 months, my experience has just been incredible. I've had the opportunity to work with Allan one-to-one on a few occasions, from a position of complete humility, to be honest. He's really guided me and given me a lot of confidence and a lot of drive. Allan Morrow Studios to me is more than just a website that sells tutorials. The product has been incredible, the support's been incredible. There's MIDI packs on there, so that if ever I'm sat with a bit of what shall I do today, I'm a little bit blocked, I can just throw some MIDI in and get inspired that way. It just keeps me moving forward. And fast forward 9 months, I can't believe I'm just sat here now and I'm just about to put some finishing touches on a project that I've been working on for the last couple of months. And I threw in a reference track from day dot, for the first sort of complete track, I suppose, that I put together and played them off against each other, and it's just leaps and bounds above what I expected to be and where I expected to be at 9 months later. If anybody's sat on the fence with regards to this stuff, I can't recommend Allan enough, and I can't recommend his tutorials enough. I've learnt so much. Allan's even done the impossible and got me a little bit passionate about percussion, which I kind of thought was just a necessary evil back at the beginning. But all in all, who knows, man, maybe you'll see some of my stuff on Beatport. Big shout out to Brett, another guy that's part of the AM Studios family. He's just had his first track released following working with Allan. The proof's in the pudding, guys. So if you're on the fence about this stuff and you're really serious about getting somewhere and getting there rapidly, take a look at the site and make a purchase. And as an Ableton user, I was a little bit concerned to begin with that a lot of it's done in Logic, but rest assured, from my experience, it really doesn't matter. I've looked at the Logic stuff, I've been able to push it into Ableton, do what I needed to do in Ableton, and anything that I've been unsure about, Allan's always been really good and on hand to answer any questions. So, keep plugging at it, keep progressing, and yeah, anything can happen is my experience. Cheers, guys. Thanks, Allan.